Can you see it? Yeah. Right. Hello. So, I'm eating lemon dodgers, and they're very nice. And you want to see my dog? That stands for something, but yeah, never mind. I'll be 1 minute. This is my dog Rory. He's very cute. What? See you, bro. And then my cat is in the corner and he won't wake up at the minute, so yeah. um, 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 I'll let them go. You see my dog? Yeah, just about his paw. Give him a bit of biscuit. Oh, he's fat pig. Put him down there to eat his biscuit. Hello? Oh, hello, I'm on the phone to Connie Nash, yeah. Sorry, I'm in the middle of making a video for YouTube. I'm in the middle of making a video for YouTube. Yeah, but I'm on the phone right now, so, yeah. What's that? Yeah. I think so. Oh, okay. Well, yeah. Hello. Right, so, yeah. Hello. Oops. Got all cookies open my computer. Hello. Right, I'm on the phone to my best friend Connor, okay? Yeah, right, so. Then oh my god, my dog's just a chode. Right, well, at the minute I'm bored, so ask some nanny if I can come round, yeah? No, bring me back in 1 second, okay? Just beg to be quiet. Okay, bye. Right, I was just talking to her. Hopefully I'm going round her house in a little while. She just got big for a nan. Right, okay. Okay. I'm gonna go now. Okay, bye. I will see you later. Bye.